What do you mean it's an orange alert? Okay, I got my thermos. I got my milky tea. And let's see what the big man number 2 has to say. Now there's number 2. Okay, there's an orange alert. In province of Tennessee, Nashville has been bombed by possible domestic enemies of the state. So orange alert. And there's number 2. Okay. Let me take this off so I can see. And this, folks, is orange alert. Have a little sip of I gotta less Irish it up. Oh. Remember, American. Also on the alert, orange alert. The British and Japanese government have discovered this is a highly dangerous domestic enemy weapon. See the dangerous nail file. Really good saw blade. I'm not kidding. I tested it. It cuts through. And this is the Evolution Series S17. It's really good. I hope you can see that. Yeah. Maybe it's upside down. There we go. Is it upside down? I can't tell. Okay, hope you can see that. And yeah, this thing really cuts. It has the standard screwdriver and bottle opener. Works really good. The scissors I really enjoyed because it uses a different, instead of the old spring and a small, this one has a cutting surface. It's really good. I recommend this knife just because of this. Can opener, not so hot. I might have to remodify the blade. I don't like the European style of this style to cut open cans. You gotta really know how to use one of these. I like the Prepz bill. It's much effective. This one will get you in trouble. Not the blade length. Both in Japan and London, this has a locking blade. So you have to press this down right here to not release it and close it shut. When it's opened up, it's locked in position, which is against London laws and Tokyo laws. This will get you 2 years in Tokyo if you carry this. You have your owl or reamer, and you have your corkscrew. If you drink wine, you have to have a corkscrew. Very handy, very practical. You have a toothpick, and also on this side you have tweezers. So it's a nice little package. It's considered London as a terrorist weapon. Okay, this is a terrorist weapon, and Japan you get 2 years in prison. Let's see, where was the other thing? Oh. Well, Crazies runs around saying, socialism! Yeehaw! Meanwhile, this in your pocket will get you 2 years in prison. Going around saying yeehaw with a machete and saying Allah Akbar and killing people, that's a political protest. I think somebody's been in the, smoking something really hard, or number 2 needs to be replaced with a new number 2, Joe Biden. So, whatever you think, be careful. The nuts are out. Anybody in the militias, head on a swivel. Stay back. Remember, no explosive and no stupid stuff. We haven't got the signal yet. So remember, don't attack your fellow Americans. can't sue them. Have a nice night, folks.